Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make some Greek fajitas. Now the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to cut your vegetables. Now I'm just using a red pepper here. And you want to cut it in strips like so. Now don't mind the fly, it is summertime and flies never leave the house because flies are annoying. But anyway, cut your red pepper in strips and along with your green pepper. Now this used to be a green pepper. Now it's an orange pepper, which is fine. It still tastes good. But, you know, I just let it sit too long before I started cutting it. So, you know. And of course, the jalapenos. You want to take out the membranes, because those aren't very appetizing. Now, jalapenos you do want to dice up. Make sure you get most of the seeds out, because those seeds aren't very good either. I mean, not a big deal. Just dice it up like so. As you see here. Now look at that. Getting nice and colorful in there. Now you want to take care of the meat. Now you want to cut it against the grain. Here I am trying to find the grain. As you can see looking at it, you can see where the grain's at. Slice it like so. Now this is just a little skirt steak. It was $10 for 1 pound, so it wasn't cheap. But, you know, it's very tasty, and it's very beautiful. It's a very beautiful piece of meat too. Now you want to put it all in a Ziploc bag with a tablespoon of lemon juice, maybe 2 tablespoons, and a couple shots of hot sauce. I'm just squeezing around, make sure it's all coated evenly as much as possible. And let it sit in the fridge overnight or a few hours. Of course, pop it in your skillet. Now my skillet's set to max at 400 degrees. This is going to cook fast. Yeah, I'm using an electric one. Now you can use, you know, whatever cooking method you prefer. Let's keep moving around so it evenly cooks. So all those flavors meld. Now all the water from the meat and the vegetables will leak out and help you steam everything. That's just what you want. So just keep cooking it, moving around. Let it rest a bit every now and then. As you can see here. See, it's getting there. It's getting closer to done. All those peppers and jalapenos cooking and letting all the flavors in. Now you want to put the lid on it and let it steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. Look at that. All that goodness right there for you. And once it's all done, you want to let it cool down, of course. Just a bit before you start serving it so you don't burn yourself when you bite into it. And you can put it like this on the pita bread. That's why I'm using instead of tortillas. Like this, so fold it in half, or you can even make it into pockets. Now I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching.